Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I just have like a super cash video for you guys of me just getting ready because today I'm going to be filming a few different videos and I thought I'd film an extra one of me getting ready. And I decided to sit on the floor today and my Polaroids like stopped like right at this line right here, so I was like, I'm just gonna tape some more so that it won't be plain. So without further ado, let's just go on ahead and get right into the get ready with me. All right, so here we go. My hair is not done. My makeup is, there's nothing on my face right now. I got a bit of a spot going on right here. I'm gonna be starting off with the Oil Control Moisturizer and just putting it a little bit, just a little tiny bit. And I'm just gonna put it in both my fingers, put it in spots that I think I need it. Mostly like my forehead, I feel like, is the worst for dry skin. I don't really have a lot of dry skin because especially in the summer because my skin's pretty gosh darn oily. So now I'm gonna be using the VTL Satin Veil Primer. I don't want to use too much because I don't want to feel too gunky. I'm just gonna dab it around where I think I need it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys use primer before your foundation and stuff. Yeah, let me know if you guys find it makes a big difference or if you don't use it or if you do use it religiously or something. Just let me know because I'm intrigued to know. I got this at the beginning of the summer from Influencer. I always say Laneige, but I'm pretty sure it's Laneige. It is a like sponge foundation. And what's really cool about this too is that it has SPF 50, which is awesome because I didn't get a single burn on my whole face over the whole summer. And like sometimes when I have like bigger spots or whatever, like just like take a little bit of extra foundation and just like dab it on top just for a little bit of extra coverage. I mean, you're still gonna see it, but that's just life and it is what it is. I don't have any powder right now, so I'm just gonna not. My friend Kate gave this to me for, oh my gosh, you can see the camera literally like right in it. Friend Kate gave me this little trio for my birthday, so I'm just gonna use this a little bit just because I like it. Like it has like the darker like plum shade, like it's kind of, you know, it's getting to be the fall time. If I do something that's like really bad, just roll with it because I don't even know. So I'm just gonna take the lightest one and just put it all over. Like I said, I don't want it to be like super dramatic, just like to add a bit of color for the fall and whatnot. So October is coming up super quick and I just want to know what you guys are looking forward to for videos. I do a lot of like Halloween videos and stuff, so just let me know in the comments down below like what you guys are looking forward to for Halloween videos. So I'm just gonna take a bit of the darker one, the middle shade if you will, and just put it in my crease slightly. It's like a bronzy, just going super light with it because again, I don't want it to be super dark because I'm gonna put my winged eyeliner on and I don't like it to look like too dark. I'm gonna take this like little angled brush. I finally know why Beauty Gurus did this. It's to focus on the, yeah. I'm just gonna take the plum shade, this one, and just put it like in my crease. Literally though, I put it in my crease, but then when I put my eyelids down, like you can't even see it. Like it's there and it's gone. Anybody else have this issue? I'm gonna make kind of like a triangle. Then I'm just gonna go in with the fluffy side of a brush and just blend it all in. And that's good enough for me. So I literally like don't do makeup without, I do not ever do makeup without liquid eyeliner. So today I'm using the Estee Edit by Estee Lauder, the blackest liner. So a lot of people think that it's weird that I always do my makeup in a mirror this small because a lot of people use like a big mirror, but I'm just like, I can only do my makeup in mirrors that are this size. Like, cause I like to like, I don't know. I just have like this way I cross my arms. I'm just like, yeah, I got this, you know? And there you have it. So next I like to do eyebrows. In all honesty, do you guys like pumpkin spice lattes or no? Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't drink coffee ever, and I don't like lattes, and I do like pumpkin. But I tried the pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks once. It was my friend's, and I just took a sip, and I was like, that is disgusting. Don't come for me. I just really don't like them. Maybe if I like lattes, but I really don't. I don't drink any tea or any coffee or anything. I pretty much only drink water. Tim Hortons actually came out with a pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do mascara. Okay, so I'll just do my eyebrows. and then I'll do mascara. Normally I would just do mascara now. I don't know why I forgot. For my brows, I'm just filling them in with this little Ofra eyebrow pencil. I think I got it like when I used to be subscribed to Ipsy. It does the job pretty good, I think. Then I just go over them with the Essence Make Me Brow. And this is honestly, like, I've had this for far too long and I'm pretty sure there's literally nothing left in it, but I just keep using it anyway. Eyebrows done. Now, going back to mascara, I don't know why I forgot. This is my favorite mascara. If you've seen any makeup video of mine recently as in like the last 2 years, because I like never post makeup videos probably, but this has been my go-to mascara for like since it became available in stores. I bought it once and I was like, this is the best thing that ever happened to me, and I use it every day. I'm always scared that my get ready with me videos are super boring because I like kind of forget to talk when I'm doing my makeup, and I'm just like, what do I even talk about? So next I usually use blush. This is literally an Avon blush I have had forever. It's called Classic Aura and it's almost gone. And I just put this brush in and put it on my cheeks. Kate also gave me this like highlighter set for my birthday as well. It's really cool. It like looks like this. Reminds me of like a caterpillar or something. And lately I've been like, this one's more of like a pearl iridescent color. But I think this like gold one is really pretty for like the fall, and so is like this middle one. So I think I'm gonna go for the gold one just for fun. So I'm just gonna dab it in there, you know, and put on my cheekbones. And then I also like to put a little bit just like right on top of my lip there. And then, since my lips look half dead, I usually take my finger and just like get rid of any makeup that like built up on them. I pretty much like to keep it very simple with my lips because, I don't know, I feel like lipstick is just so high maintenance, and sometimes I wear it when I'm filming, but I don't really feel like putting it on today, so I'm not going to. And literally all I'm gonna do with my hair, washed it yesterday and put it in braids until it was almost dry, and then I just took it out right like when it was like still a little bit damp. So I'm just gonna straighten this weird little kink I have my bangs, and I'm going to put a bobby pin just to, you know, put up this like little bit of layer here just to get it out of the way, and then I'll be done. Okay, so hair is all done, but I did actually forget one like key component that I usually do when I'm filming, and it is lashes, because I just like naturally have short eyelashes and the camera literally makes them non-existent. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see them right now. Like, they're there. They're just really small. So I don't use glue-on lashes. They're too annoying. They're too sticky. They're too messy. They mess up my makeup when I take them off. So I freaking love magnetic eyelashes. Like these are the Ardell ones. I can't remember exactly which Ardell ones, but I've had them since I was in California. That's what they look like. Normally I'm like really up close to a big mirror, and what I will do, I'll try to like set my mirror like on my knee or something. So what I will normally, oh, I got the wrong one. I need to start with the other eye. So I do have these like short ones too. These ones aren't Ardell, they're just no-name ones I found on Amazon, and they work as well. They work really well if you just want a little extra on the edge, but when I'm filming, I like to, you know, go full on because, again, my eyelashes are non-existent, so I just pull them apart, place it on top, and then I take the other one and kind of like pinch it and put it right underneath my eyelash, and then kind of close my eyes really quick. And that's what they look like. Yeah, so this is the magnetic eyelash and this is my normal eyelash, and I just love these for filming because like if I only want to wear them when I'm filming, like I can just slip them off when I'm done and I don't have to peel them off and there's no glue involved. So there you have it, folks. That is how I do my makeup for when I'm filming. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it wasn't too boring. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like to see more casual chatty type videos like this one, and also let me know if you have any special requests for Halloween videos, because those are coming up super soon. And with all that being said, don't forget to check out my Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook page, vlogging channel, and my music channel. Everything will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye!